This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, so let's unbox it. And the first thing, oh my God. I had to rescue him from his little prison, which was the box. But look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, you have a hat. You have a bucket hat. This, so good. So apparently this one was like really hard to find. I think it came out last year, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I've only discovered Labubus this year, so I didn't even know that some of these things have come out already. But during my period of no air conditioning, this appeared on the TikTok Live Pop Mart channel, and I was like, I need to have him. So I immediately went and I added to cart, and I just like blacked out and bought it. I was this close to getting a giant Zimomo, okay? The big brown one with the tail, $200. So I was like hovering over the buy it now because I had it in my cart, but I thought to myself, bitch, where the f are you gonna put that? And I put him back. I put him back, and now I'm like, why did I do that? I'm such a fucking moron. So I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna find him one day. It honestly, it's kind of exciting because it feels like, you know, I caught a big fish and I threw him back, and now I'm gonna go find him again. I will find him. But in the meantime, here's my little fish, and he's so cute. Oh my God, I love the little flower. I love the bucket hat. I love the little suspenders. Like, he kind of looks like my stepdad a little bit, but I love him now. I love him. He's so cute. So I'm very happy. We have that. But what I'm really excited about is this thing, okay? The coffee factory. I lost my shit when they announced it because I just love how stupid he looks. I was like, I need to have him. So here are obviously the core four, right? So we have Labubu, Skull Panda, Demu, Crybaby, and then the secret is Molly. I love the secret Molly in this one. She is so cute and I want her, and I kind of hope that I get her, and I hope I get her in place of the Skull Panda, because if I get her and I don't get the little Labubu, I will be very sad because he's so cute. He's so cute. But I do love the Crybaby because it looks like it's crying frosting. This series looks so adorable. So I'm very excited about that. And then I have a couple other little Pop Mart boys. I got 2 of the Say Hello Teletubbies. Oh my God, I love it so much. Why the hell were you sticky? Okay. And then we got these 2 boys, which, let me tell you, I have been stalking Pop Mart for these little Pucky boys. Pucky, I think, is my favorite character from Pop Mart. Besides the monsters, right? Like, Pucky is just a fat little piece of shit that I just love, and I want anything and everything that he has ever done, okay? And when I saw that these were back in stock for literally about maybe 3 minutes, I was like, and so I was only able to get 2 of them. I hope it's not duplicates. I hope it's not a duplicate. Here's hoping. And the same goes for the Teletubbies. I hope these are not duplicates as well. I will be sad if they are. But you know what? Let's open the Teletubbies first. I think this could be fun. Let's open up the Teletubbies. Here are all the different variations. Now, I know you're going to be seeing a lot of these kind of out of order, but I have opened up 2 other Teletubbies boxes in future videos. They're from older series, and I'm not going to surprise you. Oh, fuck it. Who cares? I basically pulled Tinky Winky, right? And I've been on a Tinky Winky kick. And the reason for that is because it reminds me of my best friend who passed away when we were in middle school. You know, I would call him Tinky Winky. He would call me Poe. Like, it was our thing. And so when I see that, it makes me get a little like, and start bawling. So I really want to continue to get these Teletubbies and only pull Tinky Winkies. I don't know. I feel like it's just my mission now. So I really would love to get a Poe and a Tinky Winky. I would love to get that, but if I only get 2 Tinky Winkies, I'm totally fine with that. So they're all so cute, honestly. I would be happy with any of them. I just really do not want a duplicate, so let's see. I feel like this is going to be my Tinky Winky mochi toast. I think it's going to be the mochi toast. Did not pop. Oh, my streak is over. I got Dipsy, and I got Dipsy Naughty Flower. Hello. Oh, he's cute. Oh, he's really cute. Oh, I like him. Oh, you're fun. I also love the fact that I have a lot of like a little like green plush pendant collection. So like, I feel like he's gonna fit right in. He's super sweet. Oh, I love you. Okay. Now this one better be a Tinky Winky. I will be sad if this isn't, but let's see. I want this to be the mochi one. Actually, I really like the sitting ones. The sitting pendants are honestly, they're super cute. So let's see. Let's see. No, bitch, because instead I got It's so funny. That is so funny. But I'm happy though that I at least got a sitting one. This one's so fucking cute. This is Lala Cheese Toast. Oh my God, Lala's Cheese Toast. Oh, she's cute. He's cute. I don't know. They're cute. Whatever. I love this. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, so each one of them also has a card. That's so funny. So funny that I did not get a Tinky Winky. I was really convinced that I was just gonna get Tinky Winkies to the end of time. It's okay. It's okay. These do not disappoint. They are super sweet and I love them, and I'm gonna put them down so that they don't get makeup on them. Before we open up the Coffee Factory, I need to see which one of these little beanie bubble up pucky little boys I'm gonna pull. I really would love Sweet Bubble or Angry Bubble or Smug Bubble. So here are all the little different options that you can get. Obviously I would love the secret, but I would be happy if I got Angry Bubble or Sweet Bubble or Smug Bubble. Those are the ones that I really, really want. So let's see. Okay, so this is... I think you're crying, right? You're crying, Bubble. Oh my God, look how fun this is. Oh my God, this is so fun. Oh my God, you are so... I regret... Oh, I'm so pissed. I want to get a whole set of these. These are cool. Oh my God. Bitch. I'm gonna say it. Pucky is like the best. He really is the best. Like, this is so cute. Oh, I love you, buddy. Oh my God, he's so cute. All right, I really want Smug Bubble. I want the smug one. I want the green one. I want Smug Bubble. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Bitch is angry. It's Angry Bubble. Oh my God. I mean, he doesn't really look that angry. Oh, it's actually the bitch that's on the box. Oh no, this is not even Angry Bubble. This is Pretty Bubble. I'm a moron. We got the one that's on the box. Oh yes, bitch. I need all of these. I will not stop until I get all of them. Oh my fucking God. Excuse me, ma'am. These are the cutest. Oh God, I literally am a child. I recognize that these are fucking everything. I love them so much. Oh, I love you. Oh, there's a little card. Oh, that's cute. No, I thought it was gonna smell like something, but like little card comes on a little piece of string. Can you even see that? Hi, can you see that? No? There it is. That's so cute. And there's the little yellow guy. Oh, so we got Crying Bubble and we got Pretty Bubble, and those are cute. I am jealous if any of you watch this and you have them and you have the ones that I want. I'm jealous. Oh, these are adorable. This is satisfying. Okay, now let me put them down. Let me put them down. Because here we are at the main attraction, all right? The Coffee Factory. This is the set. Look how cute. I'm in my own little Pop Mart store. I want the secret. I want the secret. I want the secret. I need to just make sure I get him and her. I need those two, okay? Oh my God, this is so cute. I feel like this is going to be Crybaby. This box is going to be my Crybaby. It's gonna be this bitch, all right? I swear to God, there's nothing that says what this is. I just felt it in my soul because I am psychic, okay? And oh, this bitch is so cute. Oh, she is so cute. I just want to start crying because I love her so much. Oh my God. Actually, my friend literally was like, oh, very disgusting. Was like, tears look like cum. And now I can't like unsee that, but it's kind of true, but it's also frosting. Okay. I fucking love that. Oh my God. And it has a little sad little beret or little coffee bean hat. Oh, this is so cute. This is like, I knew they were going to be cute, but these are like cute. And then of course you get the card. The card is so cute. Oh my God. Oh, I love this. Box number 2. This is my Labubu. This is my Labubu. It's my Labubu. I know it. I know it. I feel it. No. You know what's so funny? I was thinking it's probably Skull Panda, but I didn't say it. I need to like speak from the soul, all right? And I knew it was Skull Panda, but I didn't say it. But she's cute though too. Look at her. She's really sweet. This is probably like because Skull Panda can be also like very creepy looking. I started slowly getting into Skull Panda now, but some of the Skull Pandas are kind of frightening. And this is probably the sweetest Skull Panda will ever look. She's so cute though. Oh my God, she's cute. Oh, they're so soft. Ah, they should have made more of these. Like what the We have thy card. Card is super cute. I'm a little scared because I haven't gotten my Labubu and we haven't gotten the secret yet, so. Okay. I have a feeling this is gonna be Labubu. This is gonna be Labubu. Oh, I love him. Look how sweet this little bitch is. Oh, you are cute. And he has a little bag and it's a coffee bean. Oh, he is precious. Honestly, he is so precious. Look at him. I like how silly he looks. He just looks really like just goofy looking. And I know Alex will agree with this, but like sometimes we'll see like, you know, little cartoon characters or whatever. But if there's like a stupid looking version of them, they're just even more sweeter. And it's like, we need to have it. And that's what I like about him is that he looks so fucking silly and just kind of crude. And I just love that so much. And he's so cute. And I'm so happy for you, buddy. You're everything. You're everything. And I'm kind of sad that I feel like we're not going to get a secret here. And I really want a secret. But this is the card for Labubu. Super cute. And now the last one. Best case scenario, we get the secret. I really want the secret. Although I think Demu one is pretty cute. So I will be kind of sad if we don't get Demu. But I really want that secret though. But the chance to get the secret is like 1 out of 48. So let's see. Ah, we got Demu. I knew it. I didn't feel very, very lucky with this box. I could just tell. But I am happy though that at least I got what I wanted to get. And oh, he's so cute. Look at him with his little cloud hair. Oh my God, he's so sweet. They are very, very soft. The only thing though is that I kind of wish that these little strings or whatever were kind of more in line with these tags. And I know it's kind of like an easy fix because I could just like buy one of these rings and just put it on it. But that's like my only little complaint, I guess. I wish it had that, but he's super cute. They're all so cute. Let me get the little card. I'm gonna have to hunt for that Molly. I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know where, but I gotta hunt for that Molly because that Molly is cute. Like I need her. She just looks like such a little bitch. And I need to have her. Oh my God, I need to have her. These are adorable. I am a little pig in shit. I could not be happier. These exceeded my expectations and then some. But I think what's stealing my heart right now are these little boys. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love them. Wait, actually, wait, no, hold on. There you go. I was like, did I fuck you up now? You're so cute. I can't. And I have all this shit all over me. I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these things. And if you do, let me know, do we have the same ones or do you have completely different ones? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you trash bags real soon. Bye.